learn how to draft wall in AutoCAD, how to add doors, windows and furniture blocks in AutoCAD. So in this video we'll see how to make that plan as a presentable drawing. For the presentation drawing, hatches are needed. So in this video we'll see different types of hatches and how to implement that hatch in our floor plan. So let's get started. Firstly, to add hatch you have to create a new layer. For that I'll type LA. My one hatch layer is already there, so I'll again add wall hatch layer. For that I'll create a new layer of wall hatch and active that by double clicking on the folder view. As you can see on the home screen, my wall hatch layer is ready. Now I want to close all these other layers. So for that I'll place I'll click on the layer of button of door windows as well as furniture. So now you can see on my plan only walls are visible. I'll select all the walls by using join command. I'll join all the walls. As you can see here a error. For that I'll trim this line. You can solve your drafting errors by joining all the walls. Now to add hatch on the wall, I'll click on the edge, enter. As I am working on the AutoCAD 2015, you can get this kind of display, but if you are working on the previous version, you will get separate dialog box for the hatch. As you can see here, there are multiple types of hatches are already there in the AutoCAD. I want to add a brick hatch, so I'll select this ANSI32. Select color as per your requirements, and by clicking on the center part of the wall, you have to click on a center part when you want to add a hatch. Now I want to scale down this hatch pattern, so here I will scale down this by 0.8 and now our hatch, all the wall hatches are ready. So I want to open all the layers. For that you can type a layon, LAYON, and the second option is you can on it by here also. Now I want to add floor hatch. For that I'll select here hatch layer. It is for the floor hatch. Again edge, enter. As I want to place here, firstly you have to complete all these lines for the hatch. So I'll close this wall. So now I'll type edge. I want a tile, so I'll select this ANSI37 pattern. It is a 45 angle. I want it in a 90 angle, so I'll change it here in an angle box. As you can see, the scale is too small, so I'll scale up the hatch pattern. Now it's perfect. I'll change the colors. As you can see here, the first color is the upper color and the second color is the background color. So I'll add hatches in the all the areas. So for that, H enter. I'll again select the pattern. It's in a 45 angle, so I want it in a 90 angle. So I'll change angle from here. I'll change size and a scale from the scale part. It may take some time. Same way I'll add hedges areas. Here I am getting a error, which means our one line is not complete. So to complete that line, I'll extend this line to a wall. Again same error. In this bedroom I want a wooden flooring, so I'll again active the hedge command by selecting a wooden pattern. I'll scale down that pattern and I want it in a 90 angle. By changing the color, so my wooden texture is also ready. I want this tile pattern over here, so we can use a command match property. Now to add a hedge in a bathroom and WC, again I'll use a tile pattern. So now our hedges to a plan is ready. Next video we'll see how to add text and a dimension in a plan.